what's up? It's B. Welcome back to my channel. I have a pixie cut right now and I'm missing my long, luxurious, flowy hair. So I decided to do a sew-in on myself. So this hair is from Organic or Organique. I don't know how you pronounce it, but it looks real good and it looks like it's growing out of my head. Like I've had a couple of people already say that they thought that this was my hair. I don't know if they was being shady or if it actually looks that good, okay? But I really do like it. So this is the Organique Mastermix. It's $20, which is crazy. Like I never seen hair that like looks this good, like bundles that look this good for $20. I've had this in now for about 3 weeks. Best part about it is that you can put heat on it. It's the one pack with 3 bundles, 14, 16, 18. I'm wearing the color 1B. I really love this hair. Okay, first of all, let me show you guys the length. It goes to about chest. And it's super duper full. What it looks like. Super full hair. Super full, super duper full, which is awesome. I love that it's full like this. It'll give you a layered look. Like you can see right here, like the shortest piece that I have is that 14-inch, which goes to about here. And then the rest, you know, just flows down. I used all 3 bundles. I probably had like 1 little piece left. I used everything but this piece right here. So this is the last, this piece I did not use. I don't even know how to like show you guys that, but like, yeah, this was like 1 piece right here that I did not use, but everything else is in my hair, in my head. And I feel like I didn't use that piece because there are some places where I left a little leave out, and like, I feel like if you were doing a full head with no leave out, that would be good, because the back of my head, like I wanted to do a ponytail, so I didn't put that track there. I have not seen that many reviews on the Bodywave and Organic. I'm looking for like cheap bundles, you know, like little under $50 bundles that I could just throw in on myself, so like I could change it out whenever the heck I feel like it. So I'm not trying to spend like $100 on bundles because I'm not like going to anyone. Like I'm just doing it myself, so why spend $100 when I could just do it quickly and just be done? If I hate it, take it out and try something else quick or whatever, you know? Here's what I'll say. You can't do like how you do with your own hair, like run your fingers through it. Like that's just not a thing. You have to like not play with it during the day. Like that's something that I will say about like the synthetic hair. Like don't play with it. If you leave it alone, it does its thing. It does its thing. For me, I would say synthetic hair is just about like how you sleep on it. I have not experienced tangling. I've had it for 3 weeks. I will use a paddle brush or a wide tooth comb. So one of these or one of these. The more you comb it, like the fuller it gets. The smell of this, literally nothing. Like there's no smell. Like I know sometimes people be like, oh, I get like synthetic hair and it stinks. Like it doesn't smell bad at all. Like that's a really good perk. Like there is no smell. Secondly, heat. Like you can put heat on this hair. Like that's something that I really, really love. To keep the body wave up, you can put some heat on it. You curl it with the curling iron and then you just brush it out. Just the same way that you would do with any type of body wave paddle brush, because I prefer paddle brush. I'm a paddle brush girl. I like to brush it out. I start at the bottom and like try to get it to do, you know, like back to its curl pattern, and then I go to the middle and then I go to the top. Yeah, and like that's just how I brush it out. And the only time that I brush the hair is like at night before I'm about to tie it up and put it away. As far as touching my hair goes, I barely touch the hair. Like don't play with your hair. Don't play in your hair. Like I think that's like, even when you have human hair styles or like your own hair, like don't play in your hair. Like playing in your hair is what messes it up. This is my favorite synthetic bundles that I put in my hair. Okay, so this is how I keep it at night. Okay, so I will put the hair into two pieces like this. I'll get paddle brush, do my little comb out. Then I will split each side into 2 pieces like this. And then I'll just do one big 2-strand twist, but like very lightly, and making sure that I'm going in with the curl. Wherever that curl is where I would do that 2-strand twist at, like this, and very lightly. Like you're not trying to change the curl pattern. And then I'll get to the end right about here, like this. I use one of these like metal clips, fold this up like this, right, to secure that end. And then I literally just put the, boom. I'll do 2 headscarves. I'll put 1 to lay the edges, and then I'll put the hair, like tie both up like this and put it in a bonnet, and done. no products or anything at night. When I wake up and I unravel the hair, literally all I do is put oil, and I would run the oil like that, and then boom, curl it up, comb it out. If for some reason I'm noticing the curls are like fully dropping, like after a while, I literally would take a piece of it and then grab the curling iron, curl it up, and then brush it out. I 100% recommend this hair. You can use this hair for a quick weave. You can use this hair for like a sew-in. You can use this hair if you're doing like a wraparound ponytail. It's affordable and it's worth it. Like, there's a couple of ways to purchase. I have a link in my bio. You can get it from Amazon. You can get it from Sam's Beauty, but I bought it from the beauty supply store. It's easy to find. It's easy to get. It's easy to do. Easy to style. But yeah, that's everything. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button so that I know that you like this, so that I can hit the algorithm on YouTube and they'll push out my videos and you'll see more of me. If there's another synthetic hair brand that you have tried and you like or you hate and you want me to try, put it in the comments. Like, I'm actually interested to try it. Like, I really want to see like what are the girls trying? What are the girls trying? And then make sure you hit the subscribe button if you want to get notifications from me, if you want to see the next time I post another hair video. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Later.